Hey there, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you an amazing product that's been a game changer in my home. It's the MOUNTO dehumidifier, and I'm really looking forward to diving in and telling you all about it. So, what is it, you might ask? Well, it's basically a device designed to remove excess moisture from the air, which is perfect for homeowners and professionals who want to keep their spaces dry and comfortable. This is especially important for people who live in humid climates or have basements that are prone to moisture buildup, as it can help prevent mold and mildew growth, and even reduce the risk of water damage. Now, let's break down the specs. The MOUNTO dehumidifier has a 310 ppd removal, which is pretty impressive. It also has a 10.5A power consumption, a 15-foot lift head, a 2.9 L/kWh COP, and a 165 ppd IM. And on top of all that, it features digital controls, which make it super easy to use and navigate. You can just set it and forget it. It's that simple, and the digital controls also allow you to monitor the humidity levels in your space, which is really helpful. The device also has a built-in humidistat that allows you to set your desired humidity level, and it will automatically turn on and off to maintain that level, which is really convenient. Additionally, the MOUNTO dehumidifier has a large 4.7-gallon water tank, which means you won't have to empty it as often, and it also has a continuous drainage option, which is perfect for people who want to hook it up to a drain hose and forget about it. I've been using it in my basement, and I have to say, it's made a huge difference. The air feels fresher, and I don't have to worry about mold or mildew. It's been a real lifesaver, especially during the humid summer months. I've also noticed that my basement doesn't feel as damp and musty as it used to, and that's a big plus. I've been using it for a few months now, and I've noticed that my energy bills have actually decreased, which is a nice bonus. The MOUNTO dehumidifier is also really quiet, which is great for people who plan to use it in a living space or bedroom, and it's also compact and lightweight, making it easy to move around. In real-world use, the MOUNTO dehumidifier has been a reliable and efficient addition to my home, and I think it would be a great investment for anyone looking to remove excess moisture from their space. I've also heard from other users who have had similar experiences, with some even reporting that it's helped alleviate allergy symptoms and improve their overall indoor air quality. The MOUNTO dehumidifier is also a great option for people who live in areas with high humidity, such as near the ocean or in tropical climates, as it can help remove excess moisture from the air and prevent mold and mildew growth. So, what's my verdict? Well, I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's been a reliable and efficient addition to my home, and I think it would be a great investment for anyone looking to remove excess moisture from their space. Overall, I'm really happy with the MOUNTO dehumidifier, and I think you will be too. So if you're in the market for a reliable dehumidifier, be sure to check this one out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.